Passport ready, bag inside, Spanish at the airport. Let's catch a flight. Listen, repeat, move with the beat. Spanish means English, easy and sweet. El aeropuerto means the airport. Here we go, let's start. Mi pasaporte means my passport. Keep it close, play it smart. La maleta means the suitcase, rolling right behind. Dónde está facturación means where is check-in. Follow the sign. Look to the left, look to the right. Read the signs and catch your flight. Buen viaje means have a good trip. Passport ready, don't let it slip. Dónde está mi puerta means where is my gate. Don't be late. Buen viaje means have a good trip. Grab your bag and move to the beat. Dónde está mi puerta means where is my gate. Puerta, 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 don't be late. Puerta, puerta, don't be late. La tarjeta de embarque means the boarding pass. El control de seguridad means the security check. Let me pass. Las salidas means departures. Time to say goodbye. Las llegadas means arrivals. Someone's waiting nearby. Check the number, check the time. Find your gate and follow the sign. Buen viaje means have a good trip. Passport ready and don't let it slip. Dónde está mi puerta means where is my gate. Don't be late. Buen viaje means have a good trip. Grab your bag and move to the beat. Dónde está mi puerta means where is my gate. Puerta, 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 don't be late. Mi vuelo means my flight. El horario means the time. ¿A qué hora sale el vuelo means what time does the flight leave? Check the sign. El vuelo está retrasado means the flight is delayed. El vuelo es catchy means the flight is on time. We're okay. ¿Dónde está mi puerta? Where is my gate? ¿Dónde está mi vuelo? Where is my flight? Aquí está mi pasaporte. Here is my passport. Aquí está mi maleta. Here is my suitcase. Say it clearly. Say it right. Now you're ready for your flight. Buen viaje means have a good trip. Passport ready, don't let it slip. ¿Dónde está mi freedom means where is my gate? Don't be late. Las salidas mean departure. Las llegadas mean arrivals. Find your gate, set the sign. Now we're ready, time to fly. Buen viaje, have a good trip. Buen viaje, have a good trip. Puerta, puerta, find your gate. Buen viaje, don't be late. Passport ready, bag inside. Spanish at the airport, catch your flight.